Everybody in the park, park, park. Everybody in the park, park, park.
Are you a makeup beginner who's really scared of trying out all the different products and techniques out there? If yes, then today I'll show you some simple and easy makeup steps using a few products. All you need is 3 basic things to create this amazing look: BB cream, lipstick and eyeliner that all of us have in our bag. So let's get started. Step number 1. Cleanser. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser as per your skin type and dab a dry towel softly. Make sure you don't rub your face harshly. Step number 2. Moisturizer. Any makeup routine should always begin with this step. Since I have dry skin, I always make sure to apply it after washing my face thoroughly. So, I'm going to apply moisturizer and will gently apply it all over my face and neck. Make sure to use a lightweight moisturizing cream. If you have oily skin, then apply a lightweight serum or gel moisturizer which can hydrate your skin. Step number 3. Sunscreen. Guys, you cannot miss sunscreen, especially when you are going out. I'm using my favorite sunscreen. Now, I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck. So, now that my skin is prepped, it's time for makeup. Step number 4. BB cream. BB cream works as a moisturizer and foundation. Take some BB cream in your hand and apply it all over your face. Make sure to spread it with your fingers like how you do it with moisturizing cream. Full coverage foundations can sometimes be too heavy for the skin, but BB cream provides light, natural looking coverage and corrects your complexion. It also has SPF protection that can protect your skin from sun damage. Step number 5. Eyeshadow using lipstick. For everyday makeup look, always go with nude shade colors, or you can also use nude shade lipsticks. I'm going to use my pink nude lipstick and apply it with my fingertips on my eyelids. Now, I'm gently going to blend it by dabbing with my fingers. Make sure you always gently dab it and not rub your fingers on your eyelids. You can also use a brush to blend your eyeshadow. Pro tip: you can use the same lip color as your blush too, and if you feel like experimenting, you can use different shades of pink and brown for your look. Step number 6. Blush. The best part is I'm going to apply my lipstick which I used for my eyeshadow. Now, with the help of my fingers, let me dab it upwards. This will make my face look sharper. Step number 7. Eyeliner. So I'm using a liquid eyeliner. I'm going to make a small stroke starting from the inner corner of my eye and extending it to the other end. Step number 8. Lipstick. To finish our look, let me apply a nude based liquid lipstick which is long lasting. Apply a layer of liquid lipstick on your lower lip, then press it against the upper lip and add another coat to it. Guys, I hope this video helps you in starting your makeup journey. Before we go, here's a quick recap. Step number 1. Cleanser. Step number 2. Moisturizer. Step number 3. Sunscreen. Step number 4. BB cream. Step number 5. Eyeshadow using lipstick. Step number 6. Blush. Step number 7. Eyeliner. Step number 8. Lipstick. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.